What's up, everybody? Jay here with an update on the tune-up tower. Now that the motor's working, it's time to start working on the elevator and the treadmill to get them both running again. So naturally, we start by taking this thing apart. Now let me just say, in total on eBay, I've got 30 bucks invested into this thing. So if I can get any of it to work, I'll be extremely happy. Now that we got the whole thing taken apart, we're going to take the elevator and remove the rubber wheel from the elevator. I went to my local hardware store. You can find it at yours. I got some friction tape. I got this idea by watching another YouTube video. So thank you to that person for the idea. And I took, in using friction tape, I covered about 60% of the rubber wheel. Very important to make sure you have sharp scissors when cutting this stuff, though. Getting the wheel back in can be a chore. I actually cut out about 2 minutes of footage from this that just stares at a table, and this is sped up. If you have a intact elevator, getting that wheel back on can just be irritating. So be ready for a little bit of hassle. But I did finally get the wheel back on. After taking so long with the elevator, I figured it wouldn't hurt to try a little bit of the friction tape on the wheel for the treadmill. So I covered a little bit of the wheel with it, and unfortunately the treadmill's still not working. The wheel spins, but it's not being held in place. So I'm going to have to work on the treadmill a little further in a future video. So I put the whole thing back together, and as you can see from this here, you put a car on it, it goes down without any problem, which we expected. Gravity does its job, but it also brings the car back up. So a friction wheel did the work. In the next video, I'm going to look at some accessories I got to go with this thing and start looking for the pieces that are missing. That's it for now. I'm Jay, and as always, we'll see you in the winner circle.